So a little reflection on all of this. It's a nice poetic metaphor. The sun and the ocean. So the ocean, because of its transparent, the light of the sun can penetrate deep into the ocean before it becomes so dark there's no indication of sunlight, because the ocean water is transparent. Similarly, in relationships where there is actually love, where love has a deep impact on relationships, there must be some qualitative transparency between the two persons. Not just man and woman, but any relationship. Some transparency. And Ravana doesn't have that transparency. He can't even understand at all the attachment that Sita has for Ram, because he doesn't even know what a loving relationship is. For him, a relationship is an object to be exploited. So there's no transparency. It's not even opaqueness. There's no, he's using this word love in a way that he understands the word love, and he doesn't really understand what a loving relationship really is, because he's entirely self-centered and truly non-loving. That's his world. That's his reality. So he's, again, thinking she's like him. And so he can't really understand why she doesn't accept. Sita doesn't budge. So he makes up his mind. That's it. I'm going to take her forcefully. So with his left hand, he grabs Sita's hair, according to Valmiki Ramayana, and with his right hand, he grabbed hold of her thigh. Even to hear that sounds yucky. Sita starts bellowing loudly. Now, then comes this discussion. How is it possible for the demon Ravana to touch even Sita? So one of the Acaryas comments, he touched the shadow of her hair and the shadow of her thighs. And then another explanation, citing the Puranas, it's very specific. Puranas say that while going after the golden deer, or before going after the golden deer, Ram hid the real Sita and placed the Maya Sita in the cottage instead. And then this Maya Sita was with, the object of torment of Ravan until the great war had been completed, and then Maya Sita entered into the fire and the real Sita came out of the fire. And it's bewildering. It's part of, according to what the Acaryas say in this regard, it's his Vishnu Maya, or his internal potency.